Hello, today you're looking at a Cram-A-Lot Model 60 vertical baler brought to you by Lanco. Unit is currently wired for 240 volts, can be wired for 460 volt as well. Does have the manual controls there. To open this door, you would rotate this. We've already done that. So we're going to open it up so you can see what the inside looks like. Overall dimensions of this unit, 36 inches long by 75 inches wide by 138 inches high. To start the baler in the up position and to raise or to lower it, you hit this button. This is a three-phase unit with 59,000 pounds of force and a 45-second cycle time. Obviously, the safe thing to do would be to operate this with the door closed, but then you can't see what's happening, so we're keeping it open for you. All right, and we'll come back over here, hit the raise button. And you'll notice as it's raising, this will lift up, pushing your bale of cardboard or whatever you have out. Look at that. And there you go. Very nice working unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.